I want you to stop talking about the things that you can't do and start doing the things that you can. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hopefully you guys are still cutting on. We still got a few more weeks left in the cut season down here in Georgia. So today I want to talk to you about really wanting to motivate the new guys going into next season. I want you to stop talking about the things that you can't do and start doing the things that you can. I want to explain that real quick. Number one, a lot of times we'll say, hey, I'm going to start a lawn care business next year. See, that's talking. We want to stop all that talking. I want to know, what can you do? And there's some things that you can do without equipment. It's something that you can do without a client. One of the things you can do right now, starting right now, is figure out how to market to your customers that's in your area. You can do that. You don't have to have a lawnmower. You don't have to have the lawnmower or nothing. You can start doing that right now, because the thing is that one of the things that a lot of guys who are out here cutting yards don't have right now, we don't have the ability to go beyond ourselves. A lot of us don't have the ability to go beyond ourselves. A lot of times I hear people talking about what they can't do, and here's one of the examples. And man, I can't find no guy or somebody to work for me. They're all trash, they're all garbage. Now, don't get me wrong. Finding someone who is decent to work with you is difficult. But the thing is, what are you doing? That's what you need to talk about. What are you doing to find that person? I'm gonna share with you. I go through Indeed. And yes, I go through those people in Indeed, but I have a different mindset. Like right now, I know who has been with me the longest, and I'm putting my emphasis on training them on becoming what I call my leads. My leads will be just like, if you go to Walmart or you go to any type of grocery store, you have people in the dairy section, the bakery. All of those people are leads. That means you got managers over those people. Then you have people supporting them. That's where you get the money to, your leaders. That's the one. And I know some of you saying, well, I can't find a leader. But what I'm saying is, stop talking about what you can't do. Stop talking about it and start doing what you can do. You can go to Indeed. That's man, you can do that right now. You can do, ain't nothing stopping you from going to Indeed to look for a particular person that you want. And I'm going to do that because I've been doing that. And for the guys who coming into this lawn care business, you got to understand something. You have to understand that success is not a destination. Success is a process. What we're doing is a process, and everyone has different stages of this process. Different stages of this process. So in your stage, what makes you successful is understanding what it is that you're trying to get out on that stage. Like right now, I'm on a different stage than I was 3 years ago. I'm on a different stage, but I don't make it so big to when I start talking about what I can't do. That negative talk, man, when I got guys coming on and they got issues they bringing in from home, I can't fix their problems. You can't fix their problems. What you can do, though, is give them some work. Focus on that. Hey, man, focus on that. I can give you some work, man. Sorry that's happening to you, man. Yo, but I need you here. That negativity, that stuff need to stop. Some people say poor is a mindset. I don't believe poor is a mindset. Poor is a condition. The mindset can help you work your way out of it. But if you have a poor mindset, you ain't nothing you can do. You're just gonna be stuck. So once again, let's stop talking about what we can't do and start doing what we can. So I want to share this with you. This fall, I have a debris loader. Okay. Now, I want to reach out to guys who in my area, and I say in my area, let's say from Decatur over to McDonough, down to, of course, in my Conyers and Covington area. So my debris loader, hey guys, if you're getting a leaf job and you want to price the removal, and sometimes people want that stuff removed, and what we do is we walk away from it because we'll say, I can't remove the leaves. I don't have nothing to do it. What I'm saying is I'm offering being able to come and remove the leaves for you. Let's work together. If you're in these areas, you know where I'm located. I'll come scoop the leaves up. Let's come up with a price that can work for both of us. We both win, and your client win, and we both can keep cutting on during this fall season, and even maybe even in the winter. Never know. So I'm throwing that out there. Also, what I want to do is I'm gonna tell you what I can do. I get a lot of calls, man. I get a lot of calls from Lawrenceville. I get a lot of calls from McDonough for sure. And a lot of times I'm turning these customers away. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you what I can't do. Hey, I can't add you. You're not on my route, blah, blah, blah. But here's one of the things I want to ask you guys. Fam, how much would you pay for a lead? How much would you pay for a lead? And the reason why I'm saying that is this. I'm willing to sell you some of my leads. Instead of them just hang up the phone and I don't send them to nobody. And I know some of you say, well, why don't you just, send them my way for free, Vic? Let me tell you why. Everyone understand that incentive is based upon someone's worth, right? Now I generate these leads that I cannot get to. My question is, do you value these leads the same way you would value it from Home Advisor? Because they charge a whopping part for leads. My thing is that if you're in an area and you're comfortable, I can shoot you those leads, and we'll come up with a price. And I'm asking you, what would you pay for a lead? And I'm telling you, McDonough, I get them all the time in McDonough. Lawrenceville, I get them. I get so many in those places, man. The people I send them to, I stop sending them to them because it's so much, and I know that they don't have the manpower to keep taking the ones that I'm sending them. So once again, I'm asking you, can you do this? Can you afford to buy leads if you're in McDonough, Lawrenceville area, Grayson sometime? And just think about Conyers and who's close by me. I get those leads often. The other thing is, if you have a lease season and you're around me, would you be willing to team up with your boy? I come scoop the leaves up. If you got that want those leaves removed, let me know because we can take care of it. All right, fam. So please like and subscribe to the channel. The most important takeaways from this is focus on what you can do. And right now, you can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can help me get my numbers up. I greatly appreciate it, fam. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.